Osea just launched their limited edition holiday set, so I figured I would make a little video here and introduce you to the limited edition sets that they have available now. And they're just great to get ready for the holidays, or maybe you just love a good value set, then hopefully this video is going to help you out. This was kindly gifted to me, however this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to make this video, but I just figured it would be helpful for you guys if I did post a video letting you guys know about these holiday sets if you are getting ready for the holidays. I know it probably might seem a little bit early, but maybe you're somebody who likes to get ready early for the holidays, or maybe you're watching this later on closer to the holidays. But I also wanted to post about this just because these holiday sets did become available October 3rd, so I just figured I would get this video out there for any of you who are interested. I don't know if these are gonna sell out. These might sell out pretty quickly because these are a great deal. So let's get into it. So they are offering 2 limited edition sets. This is a look at one of them, which I will unbox this and show you everything that is in it. But they do have 2 limited edition sets to choose from. And something that's awesome about these is that these are already discounted sets, so they are a value set where you're getting a certain percentage off already on these sets. Also, I do have a discount code where you guys can get 10% off, so you can get an additional discount on these sets. If you are interested, I will have that information, that link, and that discount in the description box below if you are interested. No pressure to use it, but it is there for you if you want to get some additional money off and you were thinking about purchasing one of these sets anyway, or anything from Osea. You can get that 10% off with the link and code in the description box below. Anyway, let's get into the set. So the first set is this set here, and this is the Bestsellers Mini Collection. This is a limited edition 6-piece set of face and body bestsellers, all wrapped up for the holidays. These are their most loved products. These little mini sizes are great for travel, so if you know anybody who loves skincare, maybe they travel a lot, this would be a great gift. Or if you just know somebody who maybe loves skincare, maybe they haven't tried this brand yet, this is a great way to try it out, let somebody figure out which products they like. So it's great for gifting, and also could be a great gift for yourself if you want to treat yourself. So the price of this is $78, but this is a value of $110, so this already is giving you 29% off. Plus, if you use my discount, you can get an additional 10% off. This set includes their Ocean Cleanser, which is their moisturizing marine cleanser. I absolutely love their Ocean Cleanser. It's a great, I feel like, relatively simple, very gentle cleanser. It doesn't really lather up. Actually, it doesn't lather up at all, I don't believe. It's been a while since I've used it, but I really enjoy the Ocean Cleanser. It's a really nice, gentle cleanser. This set also includes their Hyaluronic Sea Serum, which is their anti-aging moisture boost. This also includes their Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is a very popular moisturizer from Osea. This is a lightweight barrier moisturizer. This also includes some body products. It includes their Salt of the Earth Body Scrub. It is a gentle body exfoliator. This is a really nice exfoliator. It leaves your skin super soft. It also includes their very popular Undaria Algae Body Oil. This is a beautiful body oil. It has a gorgeous citrus scent. I absolutely love this body oil. Mineralize and moisturize for full body glow. And lastly, this also includes their anti-aging body balm, which gives firming hydration for silky skin. So that is a look at the 6-piece set that includes both face and body care. I think this is a great set. If I had never tried Osea before, I would definitely go for this set because you just get such a great variety of the products, both the face skincare and the body skincare. So I think this is just a great starter set if you haven't tried Osea before, or maybe you just love getting travel sizes and you love these products. So that is an awesome set that they have. The next set is their Super Glow body set. I don't have this one in person to show you guys today, but I'm still gonna go through what this includes. This retails for $72, but the value of this set is $106, and the savings is 32%. So you get 32% off of that set for what it normally would cost. Plus, you can get an additional 10% if you use my code. I'm sorry I keep repeating that, but I just want to make that clear that you can get an additional 10% off if you use my code. This set includes full-size products. It includes 2 full-size products and then 1 travel-size product. So the first product that it includes is the full-size Undaria Algae Body Wash, which I actually just did a video about. I love this body wash. It is absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing. It has the matching scent scent as the Undaria Algae Body Oil. So it has that same scent, which is just this really gorgeous citrus scent. If you love citrus scents, you love something that's nice and refreshing, then I think that you'll really like this body wash. If you want to check out my review on this, definitely check out my review video on it for more information. This also includes their full-size Undaria Algae Body Oil, so you get the duo with both the Undaria Algae Body Oil and the Undaria Algae Body Wash, both gorgeous products. And then it also includes the Travel Hyaluronic Body Serum. I actually have not tried this product yet from Osea. I think they launched it a while ago, but I actually have not tried this product yet, but it sounds really nice. It is a clinically proven lightweight body serum that instantly boosts skin hydration by 161% and improves your natural moisture barrier for visibly healthy, smooth skin. So that's really cool that they have a hyaluronic body serum. I have tried their hyaluronic face serum, but I have not tried their hyaluronic body serum, but it sounds great. Just a version of using hyaluronic acid, but also on your body. So that's really cool. So those are the 3 things that are included in that set. So that is another great value. If you are more so looking for body products, definitely maybe that one would be more so what you would be interested in, because that is a all body skincare set. So those are the limited edition holiday sets. Again, great for gifting or great for treating yourself if you wanted to get yourself a little treat. Great way to get your hands on some Osea products, but also get a good discount for it, because you know these are definitely kind of relatively expensive products, but they're definitely a treat, and being able to get a discount on these is great with the already discounted sets. But then on top of that, getting that extra 10% off, it's a great way to be able to try Osea products or stock up on Osea products. If you guys do have any questions about any of these sets or anything from Osea, I do have a lot of other review videos on Osea products on my channel. I totally was saying the brand name wrong for the longest time, so you might notice that in my old videos if you watch those. But I do have videos about more of their products if you're interested in hearing more of my thoughts on the products. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future and you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you for my next video.